so Ray and Liz, this was your wedding. This was it. We've been talking about this for had it been 6, 7, 8 months now. So tonight was the night. Tell me about it. How was it?
It was wonderful. Everything I've imagined and more.
Yeah, it was great. You know, you as a DJ had a great selection of music, great diversity. You were really great with the guests and everything. You worked well on a one-on-one basis with them and with us and with the reception hall.
Thank you.
You know, it was an amazing evening.
How about
couldn't ask for more.
How about the planning process also? How we met? Was everything okay?
Everything was good. I mean, we fell in love with you from the very first time that we met with you, just because of how you interact with us, and that's the same thing that you bring to the table once we're here on the dance floor tonight on the wedding.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So the dance floor, that brings me to my next question. How was the dancing tonight? What do you think?
Oh, it was phenomenal. I mean, you had everything for everyone. For the older folks, you had the slower songs and everything. You had some great swing songs. You had stuff for my generation and everything. You know, some nice upbeat music. There was everything. So it was a great evening. Everyone had a blast, and everyone made it out to the dance floor.
Including him, and he doesn't.
Oh yeah,
That was a tough one.
So we got the groove, we got the dance, and not the dance. All right, guys, thank you so much. How about a big kiss for the camera?
Okay.
All right, thanks, guys.
Awesome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.